Hey guys, welcome back to CC Home and Garden. So in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I have an unboxing to do. I purchased this tool at this year's Northwest Flower and Garden Show up in Seattle. It was about a little over a month ago, but I haven't had a chance to open it. We've just been so busy with some garden chores, but there's one thing that I still need to do, and that's cut back some of our lavender. So I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to open it and kind of review it with you guys. So I'm going to put my camera down and show you what I have today. All right, this is it. This is the Steel HSA 25. I am so excited to open this up and unbox it with you guys. I'm going to point the camera down so you can get a better view of what everything looks like. All right, so again, this is the HSA 25 Steel electric hedge trimmer. It is with the without the battery. It only weighs in at 1.3 pounds. The weight with the battery is 1.8 pounds. Strokes per minute is 2,000. Shrub shear blade length is 7.9 inches, which is pretty good. And the grass shear blade length is about 4.7 inches. So this is battery operated. It takes about 3 to 5 hours to completely charge, and it has a run life of 110 minutes, which, you guys, that's almost like 2 hours. So this is pretty incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for the first time. I cannot believe I was able to wait this whole time. Okay, so it comes all wrapped up neatly for you guys. Here it is. Ooh, so pretty. And it comes with this little cover already. So this is going to be the grass shear hedger. And I believe the way it works is the bottom blade is stationary and this is the one that moves. The battery is not in it, so that's good. So it comes with the charger. And then here is what I'm really looking forward to, is the hedge attachment. Look at that. It's lightweight. It's awesome. I'm so excited to try this. And it comes with the manual, of course. So a couple of safety things. When you're changing out the blades, it's always a good idea to take the battery out. I know, like, for me, I'm a little bit clumsy, so I always like to take extra precaution whenever I'm operating any type of tool like this. So the good thing is, again, it comes out without the battery, and I believe to change out the attachments, you just squeeze these two buttons here, and it comes undone just like that, and it's already greased up, which is awesome. And over time you want to make sure to check that it stays greased, and you could buy this, again, the grease, at any tool shop, just to make sure that you keep your things running smoothly. And then let's look at this guy. Ooh. All right, so again, I'm gonna change it without the battery on, and then it looks like you're just gonna, let's see if I can show this to you guys. You just want to slide it in and clip it in just like that. Perfect. So let's make sure it's on there. I always double, triple check. And I'm going to insert the battery just like that. Perfect. And it looks like there is 2 buttons to operate it, so there's kind of that safety feature. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So that's how it works. It's so cool. I love it. It's lightweight. Oh my gosh, we have to go try this out today. So I'm going to change out, again, this is how I would do it. I would take out the battery, so squeeze that, take it out, and then I would take out the blade and then put the other attachment on. That's just what I recommend. Do it all of the time, because it's better safe than sorry. So let's go ahead and reattach it. and go cut something. Pretty good. All right, guys, so I absolutely love this tool. I am so excited to use it over and over. In fact, I think I asked one of my neighbors if they wanted me to trim anything up for them. I was just so excited. I wanted to continue going. I I love how lightweight it is. I don't know. It was so easy to use. We have a combing system. So basically there's multiple attachments that we can use, and I'm sure you guys will see us using it in some of our videos. So we'll talk more about it when that happens. But the problem with that system, not really a problem, but the issue that I have using it all of the time is we have so much little detailed work to do in smaller areas. And the combing system, it's gas powered, it's a little bit heavier, so it's a little bit hard to get into those really tight areas. And if you're not comfortable using tools like that, I think this will be something really fun for you guys to try out. I love the safety feature of having you have to hold on these two buttons in order for it to turn on. And then once it is on, once you've triggered it to turn on, all you're going to do is hold this part down. So it's really easy to, to handle and work with. I did notice in a couple of areas it got a little bit snagged. And I just think because there were certain parts of the lavender that was just really woody. But other than that, I think if you have like arborvitaes, if you have any boxwood or ornamentals or topiaries, this is going to be a really, really handy tool for you guys. I am so excited to use it on our ornamental grasses. We have so many of them, and I just, even though I trim them back every year, I like everything to be precise. So I like everything to look pretty, even though it's trimmed back. I want it to look pretty. I want it to look symmetrical. So this is perfect for us OCD gardeners. If you like things to look neat and, you want to do it yourself so you can have a little bit more control of what your vision is, this is going to be your new best friend. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will put a link down below for you guys. I think you can order this online, but I'm going to double check. I think we purchased it. It was around $100, and I think it was a little bit cheaper just because it was at the show, but I think it typically retails for $120. You can pick them up at any local hardware store that is licensed to carry steel products. For us here in Oregon, the place that I go all of the time is Ace Hardware. But like I said, I think you can buy some of their products online, but I'll double check for you guys. And if that's the case, just check down in the description box, and I'll link some things down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm so excited for this. This is a win for me, and I think it can be a win for you too. So that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye-bye.